Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert reviews of the latest beauty and wellness products. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that could be a game changer for those of you in the wellness industry, the BestMassage Massage Bed Portable Massage Table. Whether you're a traveling esthetician, massage therapist, or even a tattoo artist, this adjustable spa table could make a huge difference in your practice. Let's dive into the details and see if it really lives up to its promise. The BestMassage Massage Bed is a portable, lightweight massage table designed for professionals who need flexibility and comfort while on the go. Weighing in at about 34 pounds, it's light enough to carry around, but sturdy enough to support up to 450 pounds, thanks to its reinforced hardwood frame. It's made with a PVC leather cover that's not only durable, but also easy to clean, a must-have for any beauty or wellness professional. The height of the table is easily adjustable, which is perfect for customizing the setup for different clients or different types of treatments. You can adjust the height between 24 inches to 34 inches, allowing for a more comfortable working position. The adjustment mechanism is straightforward. Just turn the knobs at the feet to lock it in place, which makes setup quick and easy. When it comes to comfort, this table doesn't disappoint. The 2-inch thick foam sponge offers a plush, soft surface, making it a pleasure for clients to relax on during treatments. The PVC leather covering also adds to the comfort while ensuring that it's durable and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear after repeated use. In terms of usability, I found this massage bed incredibly easy to set up. It doesn't require any tools. Simply unfold the table and the legs automatically lock into place. This is such a time saver, especially for busy professionals who need a hassle-free setup that doesn't eat into their precious time. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this product. On the plus side, the BestMassage Massage Bed is extremely lightweight, which is fantastic for anyone who needs to move their equipment around regularly. The ability to adjust the height is a major bonus, as it allows you to personalize the table setup for different treatments and body types. The build quality is solid. It's sturdy, with reinforced wood corner blocks that ensure the table can handle up to 450 pounds. Plus, the PVC leather is soft, easy to maintain, and doesn't have that synthetic odor that some other tables do. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While the table is comfortable, the 2-inch thick foam may not be plush enough for clients seeking extreme softness. Some might find it a bit firm, especially for long hours of use. Additionally, while the table is solid overall, the locking mechanism for the legs may not feel as robust as you might expect from a higher-end model. When it comes to value for money, this is a solid choice for professionals on a budget. Given its durability, portability, and ease of setup, the price feels justified, especially if you're just starting out or if you need a reliable portable massage table that's easy to transport. In terms of comparisons, if you're in the market for a massage table, there are several other options that might be a bit pricier, but offer extra features like thicker padding or more advanced locking mechanisms. That said, the BestMassage Massage Bed provides excellent value for the price, making it a great option for anyone needing a portable, functional, and cost-effective solution. Customer support for BestMassage has been responsive, offering a straightforward return policy and easy access to customer service in case of any issues. As for alternatives, there are other tables on the market at similar price points, but most are either heavier or lack the convenient portability this model offers. However, if you're looking for a higher-end, more luxurious experience, you might want to consider a table with thicker foam or extra features like adjustable armrests, though these will come at a higher price tag. So, does the BestMassage Massage Bed Portable Massage Table live up to its claims? In short, yes. It's a well-built, comfortable, and affordable option for beauty and wellness professionals. It's easy to transport, quick to set up, and versatile enough for a variety of services. Now, if this review was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so that other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support helps us bring you more honest, in-depth reviews like this. If you've used this table or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.